Good morning students. Welcome back to English 2 class and today we will start chapter number 6, The Charge of the Light Brigade. Okay, this poem is written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Okay, he was a renowned English poet. He was born on 6th August 1809. Okay, he wrote during the Victorian age. He is one of the famous Victorian poet. Okay. Some of his famous works are In Memorial, AHH, The Princess and Break, Break, Break. He studied at Trinity College at Cambridge. He was named Poet Laureate by Queen Victoria in 1850. Okay, so in this poem what we will see, this poem is about it is based on the Battle of Balaclava during the Crimean War in 1854. Okay, the battle of Balaclava during the Crimean War was fought on 25th October 1854. Okay, between England and the Russian forces. So this battle of Balaclava was fought between England and the Russian forces. Okay, now this light brigade. What is this light brigade? What do you mean by this light brigade? The light brigade was the name of the British brigade. Okay, it was the name of the British brigade that was engaged in the frontal attack against a well set up Russian cavalry. Now, what do you mean by cavalry? Cavalry means the soldiers who fought on horseback. The soldiers who fought on horseback. Can you see the in the picture? This is called cavalry. Okay. So, the war was between the Russian army and the England. Okay. So, they are not suitably equipped to take on the Russian cavalry. The English cavalry, they are not well equipped. Okay, but still they went to fight with the Russian cavalry. Actually, it was an account of some mistake that the light brigade was given this task. There was some mistake, their commander made some mistake and this command was given to them. But the disciplined soldiers, they attacked the Russian gunners and they were wounded by the Russian fire. Okay, so what happened? The soldiers did not lose their heart. They knew they cannot win, but they obeyed their commander. They knew that they will not be able to win this because the Russians had guns with them, bombs, and this English army, this English cavalry, they had only swords with them. Okay, so now let us see. A charge of the British light cavalry was led by Lord Cardigan against the Russian forces during the Battle of Balaclava. So this a charge of the British light cavalry was led. Their commander was Lord Cardigan. Okay, and this fight was against the Russian forces during the Battle of Balaclava. Due to miscommunication in the chain of commands, the light brigade was sent on the frontal assault instead of pursuing a retreating Russian artillery battery. Okay, instead of moving back or withdrawing due to miscommunication, they were sent for attacking the Russian army. The assault ended with a very high British casualties. Which British casualties means persons killed in the war. So many persons were killed in this war. The British soldiers were killed in this war. Okay, and what do you mean by artillery? Artillery means large guns that moved on wheels. This poem emphasizes the valor of the cavalry in brave carrying out the orders regardless of the obvious outcome. Now this poem is based on the valor, means the great courage of the British army. They knew that what will be the outcome. They will not win. They knew that they will lose this battle because they had swords with them and they were fighting with the army who had guns. So it was obvious that they will lose. But knowing this also, they did not lose heart. They went to fight without questioning their commander. Okay, they obeyed their commander. Okay, so this poem is based on what? Remembering these soldiers, brave soldiers. Okay, so here Tennyson had described the courage and the valor showed by the soldiers. Okay, now let us begin the poem. Half a league, half a league, half a league onward, all in the valley of death rode the 600. Forward the light brigade, charge for the guns, he said. Into the valley of death rode the 600. Half a league. League means what? About 3 miles. Means the commander is commanding that half a league. Half a league means about 3 miles, means half of 3 miles is left. Half a league, half a league, half a league onward. They were traveling to the valley of death. Okay, into the valley of death. They were traveling into the valley of death. Rode 600. 600 British soldiers were riding on their horses. Okay. Forward the light brigade. They were given the command by their commander that forward the light brigade, charge for the guns, he said. Into the valley of death rode the 600. They were given command that charge for the guns. The Russian forces had seized the guns of the British soldiers so that they could take the guns back. So they were obeying their commander. These Russian soldiers, they had taken the guns, they had seized the guns of these British soldiers. So they were given the command that charge for the guns. They wanted their guns back. Okay, so they were given the command that forward the light brigade, charge for the guns, he said. Into the valley of death rode the 600. They knew that they will not win. They were going into the valley of death, but still rode the 600, means 600 soldiers. They rode, okay, in their horsebacks to fight against the Russian army. Forward the light brigade. Was there a man dismayed? Not though the soldier knew someone had blundered. There is not to make reply, there is not to reason why, there is but to do and die. Into the valley of death rode the 600. So forward the light brigade, they were given the command. Was there a man dismayed? Dismayed means disheartened. Was there any man who is disheartened, who is frightened? Okay, so among the soldiers, was there any man who was frightened? Not though the soldier knew someone had blundered. Okay, the soldiers knew that someone had made blundered, means made a big mistake. Their commander is giving the command to take back the guns, and the soldiers were not frightened, not a single one. The commander had committed a mistake. The commander has committed a mistake, but no one objected. They must not ask why. Their duty was to to die for their motherland. Okay, whether they will live or not is their fate. There is not to make reply. No one can reply. There is not to reason why. No one asks that why should we go. There is but to do and die. They have to die for their motherland. Into the valley of death rode the 600. 600 soldiers rode into the valley of death, since their fate is unknown, that they will live or not after the fight. Cannon to the right of them, cannon to the left of them, cannon in front of them, volleyed and thundered, stormed at with sword and shell. Boldly they rode and well into the jaws of death, into the mouth of hell, rode the 600. Now cannons, cannons to the right of them. Cannon means big guns. Okay, big guns were to the right of them, big guns were to the left of them, big guns were in front of them, means they were attacked from the three sides. From three directions they were attacked. Okay. Volleyed and thundered. Volleyed means what? Let us see. Means discharged a number of bullets. Thundered means made a loud sound. Now these Russian army, they discharged a bullet, okay, and made the, while they were discharging the number of bullets, a loud sound was made. Okay, stormed with shot and shell means they even use the bombs. Okay, boldly they rode and well into the jaws of death, into the mouth of hell, rode the 600. They boldly rode. They knew that they will not win, but still they fought. The Russian forces had already seized their guns, taken their guns. The light brigade were attacking. They were attacked with various arms and bombs, but still they were traveling 1.5 miles into the jaws of death, into the mouth of hell, in order to bring justice for their country. Okay, they wanted justice for their country. Flashed all their sabres bare, flashed as they turned in air, sabering the gunners there, charging an army while all the world wondered. Plunged in the battery smoke, right through the line they broke. Cossack and Russian reeled from the sabre stroke, shattered and sundered. Then they rode back, but not the 600. Flashed all their sabres bare. Sabre means what? Swords. Sabre means heavy sword with a carved blade. Okay. So flashed their sabres bare means their swords were flashed, means shining. Flashed as they turned in air, as the swords were turning in the air to fight like this, their sword were shining, okay, flashing, sabering the gunners there, charging an army while all the world wondered. Now these British soldiers, they were sabering the gunners. The persons, the soldiers were fighting with the guns. They were just stabbing them with their swords. Okay, charging an army while all the world wondered. So they were charging an army. These British soldiers were charging the army who had guns, and all the world was wondering, seeing their courage. Plunged in the battery smoke, right through the line they broke. Plunged means jumped into. They jumped into the battery smoke means what? When the war, during the war, the fight goes on, that time you can see the smoke, the dust all around. You can see the smoke. So these soldiers, they just jumped into this smoke right through the line they broke. Cossack and the Russian, they were their enemies. Cossack and the Russian were their enemies. Cossack means military communities of Ukraine and southern Russia. Okay, they were their enemies. Reeled from the sabre stroke, shattered and sundered when they rode back, but not the 600. Reeled from the sabre stroke means staggered. Staggered from the sabre stroke, shattered and sundered. Shattered means broken into very small pieces. Sundered means broken into two. Then they rode back, but not the 600. So during the time of this attack, they were just using their swords. So what they were doing, they were breaking down into very small pieces, or broken into two. So they were bravely facing the soldiers, Russian soldiers who had guns. Okay, so the whole world is wondering. These soldiers flashed their swords. They were holding the swords in their hands. Okay, their swords flashed or signed when they were attacking the gunners. Okay, and the whole world is wondering at their courage, was wondering at their courage, even though the world wondered in the smoke because of the guns. Okay, the light brigade jumped so that they could fight against the Russian. They could make the Russian unable to stand even though they had guns, but the 600 did not return back. So they had injured these soldiers in such a way that they were unable to stand properly. Okay, so but the 600 did not return back because some were killed, some were injured. So the total 600 soldiers did not return back. Some of them were wounded, some of them died, only few returned back. So some of them were wounded, some of them died, only few returned back. Cannon to the right of them, cannon to the left of them, cannon behind them volleyed and thundered, stormed with shot and shell, while horse and hero fell. They that had fought so well came through the jaws of death, back from the mouth of hell, all that was left of them, left of the 600. So the light brigade, they returned back, they retreated back. Okay, and while they were returning, they were attacked again from the right, left and behind of them. So they were attacked again from the right, left and behind of them. Again they were attacked from three directions. Volleyed and thundered means volleyed, and they were shooting their guns and they were using the bombs. Okay, while horse and hero fell, then that had fought so well came through the jaws of death, back into from the mouth of hell, all that was left of them, left 600, left of 600. But they came back from the jaws of death, from the mouth of hell, all that were left means the soldiers that were left after this fight, they returned back. When can their glory fade? Oh, the wild charge they made! All the world wondered, honored the charge they made, honored the Light Brigade, Noble 600. So, when they came back, when they came back, their achievement, they knew that they will lose the battle. Okay, they did not win this fight. Okay, so what was their achievement? They fought bravely. Okay, they fought bravely. So they did not lose their heart. They went and fought courageously. They knew that they will lose the battle, but still with courage they fought this battle. They have got victory in their mind. Okay, they did not win the battle, but they got victory in their mind. They knew that their commander is making a mistake, but the Light Brigade never questioned and they fought. Okay, so they are referred as noble because of their bravery for their motherland. They are referred to as noble because of their bravery for their motherland. So this poem, written by Alfred Lord Tennyson, is a tribute to this Light Brigade. Okay, we must also show tribute and show respect to these brave soldiers who fought, okay, bravely without questioning. They knew that they will not win this fight. They knew that mistake was made by their commander, but still they fought. They did not win, but they had won in their mind. They got victory in their mind. So in this, through this poem, the poet is making a tribute to the Light Brigade, and we must also show tribute and respect to these brave soldiers. All will remember these soldiers throughout their life. Okay, so this is the end of our poem. You will read the poem and you will try to understand it, and if you don't understand, you may ask me in the live class. Okay, so in the next video I will send you the question answers. Okay, you will write the question answers from my video. Okay, so till then, take care, bye, and thank you, children.